In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add banner image to Discord profile. Let's get started right inside Discord. Down in the bottom left corner, you'll see your profile, usually your avatar with your username next to it. Click that to open your profile controls. From there, choose Edit Profile. This takes you to your profile settings, where you can customize how your page looks to others. In the profile editor, look for the banner area at the top. Click directly on your banner to change it. Discord will open options for customizing that space, and you'll see a preview area so you can tell how things will look before you finish. Now, you have two main choices if you want to add visual flair. Pick a GIF for an animated banner, or upload a static image. If you go with an image, common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If you choose a GIF, keep in mind it will loop. So, subtle motion often looks best and is less distracting. Either way, aim for a wide, landscape-style picture so it fills the space nicely without awkward cropping. High contrast imagery helps your name and buttons remain readable, and leaving the edges a bit cleaner prevents important details from getting cut off. Here's an important note about access. To fully customize your banner with an image or a GIF, you need an active Nitro subscription. Without Nitro, you won't be able to upload custom files for the banner. Instead, Discord lets you choose a banner color. This solid color option still gives your profile a distinct look and can tie in with your avatar. If you're going the color route, pick a shade that complements your profile picture and keeps your display name easy to read. Darker colors often make text stand out, while lighter tones can look bright and clean. Choose what feels right for your style. As you experiment, keep an eye on the preview so you can see how your banner interacts with your avatar and username. If the focus of the image is getting covered, try a version with the subject slightly off-center. For animated GIFs, softer motion and smaller file sizes usually look smoother and load faster. That's all you need to personalize your Discord banner. Click your profile, go to Edit Profile, select the banner area, and either upload an image or a GIF if you have Nitro, or pick a banner color if you don't. Enjoy making your profile uniquely yours, and have fun fine-tuning the look that represents you best.